All right, guys, here's the project, or should I say puzzle, we are going to attempt to get started on today. What a mess. All right, so you guys that don't know, I inherited a water slide from the local public pool because they condemned it because the tower was falling apart. But anyways, we're gonna try to put it back up, and it used to be, I think I got a picture of it. It used to be a figure eight. Is that a figure eight? I don't know if that's a figure eight or not. Anyways, you get it. But we're just gonna make it a loop to go down. So we're gonna set that. Everything's gonna hinge or be based off that one pole right there. So we need to pour a footer for it. So the first step of this is we're gonna go get the little mini track home. And we're gonna pour a footer, and I got a little jiggy dooey thingy set up to put the anchor bolts and stuff in. And we're gonna go from there, see how that works. This may be a 1-part video or it may be a 15-part video. Just depends on how well it goes, I guess. All right, after a whole bunch of measuring, a few gray hairs, a whole lot of thinking, this piece of rebar marks the spot where we think it needs to be. We may have even consulted a surveyor along the way. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna dig a hole right there. I got the form. There's the anchor bolts. Let's see what happens. I'm going with this as probably like a 50-50 shot. It's in the right spot, but we're gonna try to make it work either way. So cross our fingers and see what happens. All right, guys, I got sidetracked. Here's our fancy little form. I got all of our anchor bolts in there and got them bent out. I've got to get rebar in there, and it looks like I'm going to have to bring a water pump up here in the morning. Actually, I may not. Concrete will push water out. We got a lot of groundwater here, but I am going to get some rebar in it. But basically, it's 4x4. That's about 6 feet deep is what it ended up being. So, hoping that should do the trick. Hopefully, it'll keep it put, stay put, keep put, stay put, stay. Whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. So, we will get concrete in the morning, and then we'll start assembling a slide as we got time. That sounds like fun. All right, guys, I know you probably can't see it, but there's a concrete truck back here somewhere, and we are heading up to the foundation for the water slide is what I'm trying to say. I'm not sure if we got enough concrete. We're pouring another job close by, so we're just kind of taking whatever concrete we got left over, and we'll fill the hole up until we run out. It's gonna be close, I think. I think he's got enough on there, so trying to do it as cheap as possible. Make good use of all concrete mixed. That's my plan. So anyways, let's go up there, fill this thing up, and see how close we get to the top. The hole's got a little bit of water in it. We got two options. Pump, which I don't have, or let concrete displace the water. So I'm gonna go with that plan. Oh, dropped my rebar in the hole. Let her fly, Randy. All right, guys, there she is. Look at the shadow. She is that little guy. The water is definitely not an ideal scenario, but it is what it is, and it's far who it's far. So we're gonna make it work. It's gonna have some shrinkage, but I got a bunch of rebar in it, so we'll let it cure out for about a week before we set anything on it, and keep our fingers crossed and hope for the best. It's a water slide. All right, guys, we're back on the water slide project. First thing we got to do is get this pole set on that footer we poured. So I'm gonna bring the loader in here, grab it, set it down on there, Ryan and Dax are over there. They're going to give me a hand this morning. So hoping to get that pole set. Then we'll get some of the arms on it and maybe get some of the slide up. That's the plan for today. We'll see how motivated we are. It's Sunday and it's been a long weekend already. So we'll see where we get to. Hey Dax, you think it's going to fit? You think? I hope so. I hope you're right. We're getting ready to find out.
So far, so good. It fits the hole.
Close. Do them both about another 2 turns. Well, the rain was supposed to stop today.
Looking radar, just a little bit of shower. Gonna hit a shit next time.
That's good right there, Ryan.
It ain't gonna get here one day.
That's dead nuts. Looks pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah. Good enough for who's for.
Tighten her down. Alright guys, we had to wait out a rainstorm to come through, a little rain shower. We got the main support up over there. And these are the arms that go out from it to hold the slide up. We're not for sure if we got that thing turned right or not, so we're going to get these on there and kind of lay the slide on the ground a little bit and make sure we're going. We don't have any instructions, so we're just kind of trying to make the best guess we can at it. See what happens. Almost worked too well. Let's try not to do that again. right, so we got the arms up on the thing back there, and we're moving the first section of slide over. We're gonna kind of lay as much of it out on the ground as we can. Matt was nice enough to number all the pieces, which is a huge help, but it's not quite going up the exact same way it come down, so we're still gonna have to do some figuring to make it work. But it's starting to look like a slide, people. All right, guys, this is where we're going to end part one at. We, as you can see, we got the pole up, we got all the arms up, we got 2 sections to slide up. We're thinking we're going to have to rework that bottom section for our application here, but it's going to work. We fought the rain, the mud, we have no idea what we're doing, but we're doing it anyways. But we're getting there. We'll get our piece together. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. If you just take a few seconds to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe button, and tap the bell so you'll catch the next video. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram and dirtperfect1.com.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
See you on the next one.